Dear viewer, I welcome you all to my website letuslearnenglish.com. In this test video, I am going to record my screen as well as my picture to post videos in my website. Here, this is a test video which I am recording right now, and I will post and share it on my social media accounts. This is just for test purpose. This is my ebook, Spoken English Kit. And this is my website, letuslearnenglish.com. This is my old website, and this is even the older one. And the new which I have just designed today is LLE. This will be the future place for my website. I have just designed today some basic sample. This is home page. This is about us page. This is classes detail. This is publication, and this is your gift. This is about classes. So I will stop it here. This is almost a 3 minutes test purpose video which I have just recorded here in my workstation. You can visit my website at www.letuslearnenglish.com. letuslearnenglish.com. So I'll close it now. Stop this. This is my old account. It is more than 2,518 days ago I have made that account. Alright. Fine. So I will stop it here.